You may have purchased your Zenith VCR simply to record video programs, but you now own one of the finest stereo audio recorders as well. That's because your new VCR has a built-in MTS decoder to detect and decode MTS stereo broadcast TV signals. The left and right channels of these stereo signals can be recorded on the dual audio tracks here on the tape. These audio tracks are also used to record normal monaural signals, stereo audio signals from external sources, or even the second audio program signals detected by the VCR's MTS decoder. You can even reduce tape hiss on audio recorded on these tracks by using this Dolby noise reduction switch. We'll talk more about these recording possibilities in a few minutes, but first, to take full advantage of your new VCR stereo performance, let's connect the VCR to a stereo source, such as an FM stereo receiver amplifier, so we can both record and play back stereo sound. We'll start with the stereo source. To get the audio signals into your VCR for recording, use these audio cables with phono plugs on both ends. Connect the left and right audio out jacks here to the left and right audio in jacks of the VCR. Make sure that a left channel out is always connected to a left channel in, and a right channel out is always connected to a right channel in. To play back the stereo sound from your VCR, connect the left and right audio out jacks of the VCR here to the left and right audio in jacks of the amplifier here. In reality, there's no way of knowing exactly how these jacks will be labeled, but the input-output hookup concept is the same, even if the labels themselves are different. By the way, this type of playback connection can be used to hook up your VCR to most stereo TVs equipped with video and audio inputs. So, even if you don't have a separate component amplifier and speakers, you can listen to stereo audio through your stereo TV's built-in sound system, or through powered speakers. The important thing to remember, though, is this. If you want to hear stereo audio from your VCR, you must use audio and video cables like these to make your connections. If you use the standard antenna cable, you won't get stereo audio. One other point. If you use this type of hookup for playback, the TV's audio-video selector switches must be set to receive the signals. Now that we've got everything hooked up, let's take a closer look at your VCR's recording capabilities. If MTS stereo TV programs are available in your area, the VCR's built-in MTS stereo decoder will automatically detect them, and you'll see this green stereo light come on. One of the great features of your new VCR is if you're recording a program that's being broadcast in MTS stereo, it'll automatically be recorded in stereo. To record a MTS broadcast TV program, simply set the source select switch to the tuner position. Set the Dolby noise reduction switch to on, and use the VCR's tuner to find the MTS stereo channel you want. The rest of the steps are the same as recording a regular monaural TV program. This green indicator light tells you a broadcast MTS second audio signal is being received. If no indicator light appears, it simply means the second audio broadcast signal is not available. Second audio signals, sometimes a foreign language, are recorded in mono, here, on one of the stereo tracks along the edge of the tape. This means you can't record both stereo and second audio signals at the same time, since one of these tracks is used for the second audio signal. The stereo signal is therefore recorded as a single mixed mono signal here on the remaining audio track. If you want to record a second audio signal, press the audio record button so that this red light comes on to indicate that you've selected one of the stereo tracks for recording a second audio signal. If this red indicator light is not on, your VCR cannot record available second audio signals. Now, if you want to listen to stereo audio, be sure that this switch is in the stereo position. In the L, or left position, you'll hear either left channel mono or left and right channel mixed mono, depending on what you've recorded. With this switch in the R, or right position, you can listen to second audio signals recorded on the right channel audio track. In addition to recording MTS broadcast stereo TV programs, your new VCR can record stereo audio from other external stereo input sources, such as an FM receiver, an audio cassette deck, a laser compact disc player, or a stereo LP turntable. To record stereo audio from an external source, simply connect the audio output jacks from the source to the audio input jacks of the VCR. Set the source select switch to the auxiliary position and the Dolby noise reduction switch to on. The rest of the steps are the same as making a regular MTS stereo recording. You can also use your new VCR as a video source for making tape-to-tape transfers to a second recorder. However, on the VCR you're going to use for playing, just be sure to set this switch to the on position. And then follow the steps outlined in the printed operating guide to connect both VCRs. Well, that about wraps up our show. We hope that you found this video guide useful. It's Zenith's way of helping you enjoy the many features and benefits of your new VCR. If you'd like to tell us your reaction to this video guide, we'd like to hear from you. Please write us at this address. By the way, here's how you may receive your new Zenith VCR free. Each month, a drawing will be held by Zenith from the completed owner's registration cards received during the previous months. Zenith will reimburse the winner for the full purchase price of their VCR. In order to participate, simply complete and return the owner's registration card.
Take your pick. Discover the possibilities of the ultimate home entertainment source of VCR, cable TV, and HBO and Cinemax. Consider the choice. Unlimited variety. News, sports, weather, lifestyles. Basic cable delivers 24 hours a day. A VCR plugs you in. Now plug in quality premium channels. The choice, HBO and Cinemax, with an unbeatable selection of movies and exclusive original programming. Choice like this makes your entertainment system complete. The convenience of a VCR puts you in command because now you can control time. Preset your VCR and record a concert while you're away. Record a movie while you watch a big sports event. Cable, HBO, and Cinemax give you the choice. A VCR gives you the freedom, choice, convenience, and an unmatched value. That's the VCR Cable Connection. Hundreds of movies, concerts, comedy specials, series, sports, news, and information for just pennies a program. It's the system designed to satisfy. A VCR plus cable, HBO, and Cinemax, the ultimate in home entertainment.